What are peacocks? Explained by a young boy. Hi. Today, I am going to tell you all about peacocks, those amazing birds with beautiful tail feathers. Peacocks and peahens. Peacocks are the male members of the peafowl species, with females called peahens. Both belong to the pheasant family. The train. A peacock's train can have up to 200 colorful feathers with eye spots. They spread them to attract mates. Peacocks spread their train to attract mates. They use these colorful feathers as a display during mating rituals. Species. There are three main types of peafowl: Indian blue, green Southeast Asian, and the lesser-known Congo peafowl. They vary in color and habitat across these species. Each species has unique features and distribution. Diet. Peacocks eat seeds, insects, fruits, and even small snakes or rodents as omnivores foraging on the ground. Their varied diet helps them thrive in different habitats. They forage mainly on the forest floor. Flight. Despite their huge tails, peacocks can fly short bursts, usually to reach tree branches where they sleep at night. They are capable flyers but prefer to stay on the ground. Flight helps them evade predators at night. Lifespan. In the wild, peacocks typically live between 10 to 25 years. Lifespan varies with environment and species. They face threats from predators and habitat changes. Peacock summary. Peacocks are stunning birds with incredible tail feathers, several species, a diverse diet, ability to fly short distances, and a lifespan up to 25 years. Thanks for watching. Now you know all about peacocks.